Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Christmas is coming up, and so today we're going to talk about some great Christmas themed videos for you to make for your home care business. So, one video that can be super powerful is senior care gifts. Yes, what a great idea to think about different gifts that you can get for your senior loved one. And what's really unique about this is you can add a lot of value to educating your audience about the benefits of things that you're buying for your loved one. For example, one of the things that we got from my grandmother is Facebook Portal. What's really cool about the Facebook Portal is that it connects with Facebook, so it makes it really easy to use. But what it does is basically creates a video chat that makes it easy for us to stay connected with her. She lives in Arizona, so I live in San Diego. My family is on the East Coast in the Philadelphia area, and so it makes it really easy for us to do video chat, which is great because if you've actually done studies on suicide prevention for seniors, technology and staying connected with family is one of those ways to prevent suicide. And suicide is one of the top 10 leading causes of death. See how I all tied this into utilizing a tool like Facebook Portal to really stay connected with your loved ones. So this is kind of one option that you could do in sharing gift ideas utilizing technology that's focused around content. Some other things you may say is, what would be a really great gift? Senior care. There's a great little pitch that you can do, and the benefits of having senior care in your loved one's life going into the new year. And a lot of times during the holidays, they have a pause from their caregivers because they're home, they're spending time with their loved ones so that they don't need a caregiver during that time. Although really it's great to have a caregiver during that time so that you can kind of enjoy the holidays with your loved one so that you don't have to worry about the different things that could happen and really be able to be present with your loved one during that holiday and having that extra help there. Now, another thing you can do is notifying the holidays about your business of when you're going to be open, different things that they should know about the holidays. So this is a great opportunity to kind of just present yourself in this sense of, hey, we're open during Christmas. If you need to call us, we're 24/7, letting people know. So it's almost like a public service announcement. So that's one other piece of video content that you can create during this upcoming holiday season. Another thing could be different events that you maybe have coming up. I know there's a lot of different events that go on, different community service events, Toys for Tots, different things like that, and really promoting what you're doing in the community to help, the seniors or just help the community in general. And so marketing yourself and creating this on video is another great piece. So I hope you have an amazing December, a great holiday coming up. Christmas is my favorite holiday. If you're Jewish or you celebrate any other holidays, I hope you have an amazing December and just enjoy yourself. I love this time of year. I'm really excited to be able to spend it with family and grateful for that. So I hope this content helps. I hope you make some great videos this holiday season. Maybe put on a Santa hat, maybe go further, wear a full suit. I would love to see that. That would be amazing and super engaging with your audience. So have an amazing holiday, and I'll talk to you soon. Want to generate more leads online? Check out my brand new free ebook, Home Care Leads, so you can get started today.